Hi all, this is SanTechBoard and today we are going to install SQL Plus, a MySQL database by Oracle. Some of my friends have asked me how to install it and I have provided them the resources. Now I am providing you the resources for you to install it and try it so that you may learn to do so and I will get some YouTube views and some subscribers. So without further ado, let's get into it. So open your browser, type in Oracle Express Database, yeah, that one, and hit enter. Click on the first link, yeah. You will go to this page and you will have download files for Windows and Linux. Unfortunately, there is no file here for Mac, so you will have to look on for another tutorial. So I'm going to install it for Windows. Click on it and wait for it to download. It's a heavy file for such a small database actually, so wait for it to install. Download. After it's finished downloading, we have to open it and extract it. Click on extract and it will extract this setup for us. Wait for it to extract. Okay, then we have a setup file here and an Oracle installer. So we have to select the setup file here, the application, not the configuration setting. Then click yes if prompted and the installer will start to initialize. So click next here and click on I accept the terms and click next and click next. You don't want to change the directory and you have to enter a new password for it. uh, my password will be 1234. Here you can add any password you want. This password is necessary for opening the database, so remember it. 1234 and click install and wait for it to install. Okay, hit allow if you are prompted and wait for it to finish. We'll configure the installer. I'm in the database. Okay, so after we have after the installer have finished it, we have to click finish and go to the start menu and enter SQL, and there we have a SQL Plus here and we have to open it. You have to enter your username here. I'm going to use system here and hit enter. The password is the password that you have set during the initialization or the setup. My password is 1234 and you have to enter your own password that you have set. Yeah, now I'm connected to SQL Plus. Now I can use the commands in SQL Plus. For example, so I'm going to create a table with table name test here and I'm going to name number. Okay, h now here and the data type should be number here and it's going to be the primary key. and I'm closing it. So the table is created, and I'm going to add some values to it so that you can see it's working. Okay, now I will show you the values that I have inserted. So as you can see, the table created, and it has the heading as no, the field name, and the records is 1 and 2 in each row. So if I have other columns, it would be shown here, and you can do all other SQL commands that you do in SQL Plus here. So that is for it's for today. That's how you install, configure, and use SQL Plus. And this video is part of NVIC series, that is not very interesting content. The video is not interesting to me, but I have done some work and I have to publish it, so I am doing it only. So this might be useful for some people, so others can very much skip it if you need, but I'm saying it in the last part of the video, so not much of a use. So bye, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, comment.